In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question in Udemy Q&A on desktop. If you're learning on a computer and get stuck on a specific concept, the Q&A tool is the best place to get help from your instructor and fellow students. Here's how to use it smoothly from start to finish so you can get clear, timely answers. First, open your course in a desktop browser and navigate to the exact lecture your question is about. Landing on the right lecture matters because your post will carry that context, making it easier for others to understand what you were watching when the question came up. Below the video player, look for the Q&A icon or the Q&A tab. Click it to open the course Q&A panel. The layout can vary a bit by course, but it's always near the player or beneath it. Once you're inside the panel, take a moment to browse or search. Typing a couple of keywords, like the topic name or a specific term from the lecture, can surface earlier discussions, solutions, or clarifications. This quick check often saves time, and if you find a matching thread, you can read the replies to see if your question has already been answered. If you don't see the Q&A tab anywhere, that usually means the instructor has disabled Q&A for the course. In that situation, scroll down the course page and look for announcements or messages. Instructors commonly use those sections to share updates, guidance, or alternatives for staying informed, so it's a good place to see how they prefer to communicate important information. When you're ready to post, write your question in the Q&A panel and then click Publish, or a similar Submit button, to send it to the instructor and the community. Keep your question clear and specific. Include the lecture title, the timestamp where the issue appears, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If you tried a quick workaround, mention it briefly. Clarity helps others respond faster and reduces back and forth. So take a moment to make your description easy to follow. After you publish, your question becomes visible to the course community, and you can check back for replies from the instructor or other learners who've solved the same problem. Clear posts tend to get quicker, more accurate answers, and they also help future students who might run into the same challenge. That's it. Open the lecture, access Q&A, search existing threads, and when you're ready, publish your question. With these steps, you'll get more targeted help and keep the learning experience moving forward.